Here's a question that came from one of my recent videos on power of attorney, and it says, in the video I mentioned about losing capacity, who determines that? Well, we always want to first look at the legal document because that document will often have either a definition of capacity or will say who is in charge of making the incapacity determination. Oftentimes you'll see language like the attending physician or a primary care physician or two separate physicians. The attorney gets a little leeway on how to draft the documents and what they want to deem capacity and who makes that determination. But generally speaking and overall, doctors often give you a medical determination of capacity for things like informed consent regarding medical treatment. However, don't underestimate that the lawyer or the elder law attorney gets to determine capacity for legal documents. And often this capacity is very different. People sometimes come to my office and they say, well, it's too late because, mom's doctor said that she doesn't have capacity. And I said, well, bring me the capacity letter. And it says that I believe my patient doesn't have capacity to make informed consent for medical decisions. However, capacity for certain legal documents can be relatively low. On a power of attorney, for instance, do you know who your family members are? And can you tell me that you trust them or don't trust them? And if you do trust them, can you tell me that you want them to be able to help you to make legal and financial decisions if you lose capacity in the future? That's a relatively low bar. We don't need to start asking questions about, can you say your alphabet backwards? And can you tell us, who the president is? It's really just a determination of, do you know who the people are that you are going to be entrusting in this document? And do you believe that they will make good decisions for you? And I will often ask a series of not only yes questions, but no answer questions as well to make sure that the person's not just giving me the yes, yes, yes on all the answers. So I'll say, who is this person? Oh, this is my son. Okay. Do you think your son will help you make good decisions? Yes. Do you trust your son? Yes. Do you think your son will steal your money? Yes. Well, we got a problem. But if they say, oh no, my son's a good boy, he would never steal my money, he's always been there for me, and he makes good decisions, well then, I feel relatively confident that you understand what a power of attorney does, legal and financial decision making, and you understand the overall concept of agency, which is I am authorizing a third party to act on my behalf to make these types of documents. Let's not overthink it. It's not that difficult, and many people still have capacity when they think or have been told by their doctors that they don't. Hope this helps.